The Vive event is our flagship event every year. All eyes on me, I have to succeed here, and I have a feeling that thanks to Hapily, we're gonna reach our goal faster than ever. Hello, speaking word. Okay. My name is Liat, and I'm the field marketing lead at Hyro. We help health systems automate repetitive tasks. We have our largest booth in Hyro history. We have a speaking session on stage, off-site event, some pay-to-play meetings with prospects, a boot camp before this leading up to Vive. And so there are many sub-events taking place. Before Hapily, we were paying a lot of money for the specific events lead management services. We would work in spreadsheets that would have a million tabs. No one could really follow, and now as we grow and scale, we just can't have that anymore. Hapily helps us really facilitate all of the lead capture and lead gen and follow-up and automations that happen on the back end to really make it a seamless experience for our marketing team. We just had an SKO, and I told everyone, guys, we have this new tool called Hapily. We are leaving spreadsheet hell and entering this new heaven of lead management and lead collection. So at our booth today, I have my 19 colleagues with the Hapily event downloaded on their phone. We take the meeting, put down the notes. We use a drop-down menu that's integrated with our HubSpot account to really identify the problem that the prospect is dealing with. It then shoots off into HubSpot, and everything is segmented perfectly for follow-up post-event. Event teams are usually very small, but we do a lot, and we manage big projects. The Hapily team understands those pain points, and they make it their goal to tackle those through their tools. I feel like I gained 10 new members for my team, and it really is thanks to the customer success team and the onboarding team that really has just held my hand throughout this process leading up to my flagship event. My advice is to trust them, go with it, learn from them, and really work with their workflows that are pre-loaded into our HubSpot system. Having Hapily as an extended arm to our team has been really nothing short of a pleasure.